Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here, and it's Hump Day Wednesday, June 13th, 2018, and the markets go bearish after the Feds come out and said we're going to bump interest rates by 0.25%, and the markets end the day mostly in bearish territory. Let's take a look at this. All right, the spider's down, everybody's down, but the NASDAQ break even for the most part, but small caps down. Financials down, US dollar down, crude oil up 0.5%, gold up 0.3%, silver up 1.32%, VIX increasing by nearly 5%. We're still under 13. Bitcoin down 4.7%, GBTC down more than 6%. Okay, we're going to look at a lot of stocks here, a lot of stocks. And as we get going here, guys, I have a mentorship in Vegas. If you've never been to Vegas, we're going to bring you in the hottest time of the year in August 18th. August 18th. If you go to Grok Trade and you're like, man, I'd like to go and spend 3 days with you guys live, go here, click on Trading Mentors. When you click on it, read all this. You can read it. You're going to love it. At the very bottom, there's a ton of videos with students. I could add so many more, but there's a bunch of them. But if you're interested, make sure you click the link to see if you qualify. And if you qualify, then we'll let you come in and fill out a form. And that will just open up an opportunity for us to talk to see if there's even a match, okay? But August 18th, 19th, and 20th, in our free day, we're all going to trade together on the 21st in Las Vegas. You have a chance of, making all your money back. I should be careful saying that. So here's the deal. The spiders, we have this big rally up. But we had a tweezer top yesterday. And for the mentor students who were part of the very private and exclusive study group last night, you'll know that we talked about the tweezer top and how they're very, very powerful, and you usually get a downward motion the next day. That's why I put the sell on it, because the tweezer top, after an extended run to the upside, almost having a spinning top formation. Today we popped up, making that new high. You can see that, but it was short-lived. We come right back down, so I'm happy with my sell there. The diamonds, put a sell on it yesterday because what I was seeing on the S&P, sure enough, we did drop. NASDAQ, I don't have a sell on it yet, but I think I'm going to add it now. I'm using TradingView, and I've got a link down in the comments so you can see, that's the software I'm using here. They do have a free service too. You can check them out. Small caps. Do we want to take profits? We have a buy on it. I'm going to put a sell on this because everybody else is a sell. And on the Russells, let's see, financials, put a sell on it yesterday because it dropped down below this area of support, so we got above it. We get this jab, so this could be nasty to the downside. We have support at 20-day moving average, but this could be trouble, guys. It could be a beginning of a nice little drop there. US dollar, got a buy on it. Oh, but do I want to put a sell on it now? We have a big shooting star going up. Oh boy, I want to check something out here because I can't see it exactly with my eyes, so I want to do that. Yeah, that's what I needed. I'm gonna put a sell on that now. That's on the US dollar. But if it goes down, the markets will stay buoyant. So if the US dollar does drop, watch for a high basis start to be made across the board on that. I got a sell here on US oil. So we're down, or United States, oil. We're down. We broke support, and that support's acting as resistance. This is a bear pullback. So guys, I'm good with my sell. As long as it stays below this line, look for that to go lower. Gold was slightly higher. I had a buy on that, as you guys know. We'll just stick with that buy for the time being. Let's see what happens. Silver is up more than 1%. So if you remember, I put a sell at resistance, but the very next day it popped up, so I had to reverse it. So I got that call wrong immediately. Odds are that it was supposed to drop. It did not. It broke past that, so I put a buy on it, and it is paying off handsomely there. We have a nice movement above major moving averages. This thing could continue to get very bullish going into the future, so watch that. VIX fear yesterday, put a buy on it when it started to rally, and sure enough we popped today, but we're at a resistance point. Will it get through? I'm not sure. Again, we're under 13. Bitcoin has been down. We put a sell on Bitcoin back here. We put a sell on it at 8,000 and change, and now we're at 62 and change. And I'm going to stay with that sell. It keeps breaking a lot of support levels. Now listen, it will come back, and when it does, it's going to set up at some point to give us some great buy opportunities whenever it does find a bottom. So we're looking for a double bottom, a triple bottom, a falling wedge formation, inverted head and shoulders. There's a lot of formations that can give us a buy opportunity, and I'm looking for those. Whoa, GBTC. I had a buy on it, and then it broke support, put a sell on it, and it broke all sorts of support. So we don't want any part of that. And I want to go over here to the Dow 30. Let's go look at that. Apple. Oh, snap. Gets a sell. I don't want any Apple anymore. AXP. Oh, snap. That gets a sell. So these, I put buy and sells, and you guys see them real time. Man, I slap these dudes on, and overall, I just want you to look at my wins and my losers. I wish I could say I could win them all. I cannot win them all. But overall, you'll see that I make significantly just great calls. And I wish it was because I made me something that I'm something special. I'm not. I'm a trader that has devoted my time into technical analysis and charting. I just love it. I love being able to quantify price action and volume, that raw data, and start to see patterns that can be exploited for money. And that's what I like. XP got that. See Boeing. Oh boy, that gets a big fat sell too. A lot of selling, guys. Caterpillar got a buy on it and a sell. So if Caterpillar were up here, so I would have got in around 153, and I would have sold it on the low at 153, 156. So it would have been a 3-point gain. But because we're at the end of the video, or at the end of the day, and I'm just showing you this. If you called just the end of the day at 156 and at the end of the day here 152, I'm down 2 points. Do you see that? So I'm down 2 points. But we teach something far different than that. We never get in, or rarely do we ever get in right at the end of the day. It's always when it breaks a certain level of support or resistance on the previous day. So I'm gonna let's keep going here. Cisco. I already have a sell on. I'm good with that sell. Tried to break over, but it failed to do that. That dude could be in trouble. Chevron, I'll stay with my buy. Disney, wow, I'll stay with my buy. What a big day, up almost 2% today. Huge. Big gap down in our run up. And, ooh, Dow, DuPont gets a sell. A GE, I got a buy on it. Oh no, I got a buy on it. Okay, I got to put a sell on it. So made a 0 on that one. Goldman Sachs, I got a buy on it, but check this out. We popped up. Shooting star. I'm going to sell that. Let's take some profits. Home Depot. I'm going to stay with my buy on Home Depot for the time being. IBM. I get to sell. Let's take profits on IBM. Intel. Let's go there. I got a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. Johnson & Johnson. I have a buy on it. Oh, boy. I just don't know if I want to. Oh man, I'm gonna stay with this one for the time being, but this one could burn me. JP Morgan. Oh no, that's no good. That's no good. Gets a sell. So that one I bought on there, boom, boom. So no good. Lost a little bit on that one. Coca-Cola, up. Even though it's a bearish harami, I'm not. I just need more confirmation to the downside. McDonald's. Why did I put a sell on that the other day? What day was that? The 11th? Why didn't I have a sell on that? Normally I had a sell right there, if not on this day. But I did that on the anyway. Not sure. We're above major moving average, so I'm just gonna stay with it. I'm kind of committed. I'm gonna stay with Triple M, Merck. I'll stay with that. But a lot of these could be sells really soon. I got to sell on Microsoft. Nike, got a sell on it, still pulling back. PFE. I'm going to stay with it. PG, they get to sell. Travelers, I got to buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy, but boy, it needs to get moving. Ooh, UNH. Now I'm going to play with a guy that works at United Health, playing racquetball tonight. And I think we might have reached a high. I'm going to put a sell there. Just lock in profits at 252, 253 area. And UT, oh, wow. UTX gets a sell also. Visa, I'm going to stay with my buy. Verizon, wow. So that one bit me. So Verizon down 3%. Walmart, I'm going to stay with that. That could be another buy opportunity. Exxon has a nasty little sell. And I'll tell you, on the 12th should have had a sell. Day late on that one. So there it is. Day late on that one. Let's look at some tech stocks. These dudes are the money makers. Money makers for you mentor students, the 301 guys. I'm doing a 401. That's just with me. It's 2 days of just charting. 2 days of just charting. They're in Vegas. And then that's also at the tail end of the 18th, 19th, 20th. 21st is a free trading day that we'll do. And then 22nd, 23rd will be the advanced. So feel free to do that. Apple, put a sell on it today. AMD, I'm good with that. Amazon, it's going to be a sell, guys. I'm not going to do it yet. No confirmation, but I'd have a tight stop loss on Amazon. Baba, I already have a sell on it, so I'm good with that sell. Baidu, got a buy on it. I'm good. I'll stay with the buy. Priceline, got a sell on it. It's going down. I'm good with that. Cisco, whoops, I don't want to flag it. Cisco, got a sell on it. Comes up, try to break up. It come back down. Already, I think we already looked at that one. Catfish, I call it CTSH because it looks like catfish. I got a buy on it. I'm good with that buy. eBay, oh snappers, gets a big time sell. I don't want that. Facebook, got a sell on it, but I'm going to stay with that sell because I think it's getting ready to drop. It'd be a head and shoulders reversal pattern. Google, we have a buy on it. Now it gets a sell at resistance. Google with an L, because I know they're in tandem. I'm going to go ahead and do that too. GoPro's down 2%. I have a sell on it. It popped up, and now I'm just caught in this one. So this one, I'm got a sell on it. I got to sell Microsoft. MU, Caesar, I added it just for you. I mean, it's one I watched. There's a lot of these that I watch. I just don't add to my list. It'd be just too many of them. Went ahead and added this one. I'm going to put a sell on MU right now, and that is Micron Technology. It has a lot of volume, guys. Netflix, dude, look at that. I am going to make that a buy. And, oh boy, send that to voicemail. NVIDIA, got a buy on it. I'll stay with that. Oracle, I'll stay with my buy on this one. I'm just making some fat cash. PayPal. Look, I so badly want to put a sell on that right now. Tight stop loss, guys. But as soon as it gives me a reversal, I'll call it a sell. But tight stop losses. Red Hat. I'm going to stay with my buy. Wow. Shopify. For the time being, let's lock in profits. Snap was up 1.5%. Up. Shooting star, but above a major resistance. So now we have support. I'm going to stay with my buy. Even though if this line wasn't there, I'd be putting a sell on it. But man, that could be ready to rock and roll. And Twitter. Man, we're in at $30 and we're at $44 already. I still want to lock in profits right there. I just don't have anything saying I should lock in profits, so I'm not going to. Monologue time. Guys, President Donald Trump left me a voicemail at the end of my little monologue. It's there. You're going to listen to his voicemail. Oh man, so you guys did something incredible. I said, hey, just let's do an Easter egg question where I asked you what's your favorite color, and a lot of you guys put your favorite color. Thanks for playing along. People were like scratching their heads. What is this? What's going on? Why is everybody putting colors? And it forced them to go in and watch all the video. A lot of people don't watch the video all the way through to their own detriment. So you guys that listen all the way through, you're crazy. You're crazy. But the markets, isn't this fun? Trading, I'm like looking at my charts here. I got 4 screens that wrap around me. I've got lights here for my videos that come in. When people come to my house, they're like, whoa, look at this control center. What do you do? And I trade. It's a hard one to answer when you tell people you're a trader. You trade what? Isn't that risky? Yeah, for 89% of the people out there it is. It's like going to the casino. Isn't going to the casino risky? Yeah, for roughly I would guess 89% of the people out there it would be. But for professionals, it's not. We're taking advantage of setups that gives us an edge in the markets, a setup that stacks the odds in our favor, and we take little bits to grow our accounts. That's how we trade. We're never looking for the big swings. However, like this one, the Twitter, the chart we were just looking at, Twitter went up quite a bit. If you can get fortunate enough to catch those runners, that is awesome. But you always have to preserve profits. Trading is always about risk. Risk comes before entry. Risk comes before money management. Risk comes before stop management. Risk comes before any sort of indicator or any sort of oscillator. Risk comes before news. Risk comes before the fundamentals of the business. Risk is paramount. Trading is always about risk. Nothing more. Well, there is more, but that is the big one. If you can manage risk properly, you will go to new heights in your trading. And trading can be life-changing for those individuals who are, 1, highly disciplined, and 2, those that are not highly emotional. A lot of people say, well, I'm disciplined, and a lot of people say I'm not overly emotional. However, the markets tend to be a magnifying glass to both of those. It will hone in on a person quickly to find out where your weaknesses are. A lot of you guys watching this, if you've watched us for more than 3 months, or 6 months, a year, 6 months, or 6 years, if you go way back and you haven't taken our mentorship, you have beat the odds. Most individuals within a year or 2 will wash out the markets if they don't have formalized trading education, mainly through the benefits of a mentor. All people out there. That's even why I've created the company. I created it for mentoring. But normally we do it online, but we're going to be in Las Vegas. That is great. If you want to meet in person, hang out for a few days and learn to trade, your mind will be blown out of the water. But anyway, let's I'm going to bring you guys in to the voicemail I just got from President Trump. Take care. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hi there, D7. Just wanted to give you a call as I got a little bit of time. I'm in Air Force One, taking an Air Force Two, so I got some privacy, so I thought I'd give you a call. Loved the podcast. Was great, especially at the end. Must have been a great honor for those people to hear me on your podcast. Just a fantastic time for them. I just want to say, D7, D1 through 6 were a terrible failure. You've got it right on the money. D7, you're great. Now, Mark the Meerkat, there's a superstar. I don't know what a meerkat is. I got a zoo guy. He's gone on vacation. I'm sure I'll find out it's great when he comes back. He knows all the types of animals, different ones. I wish he told me what type of animal the Lord of Canada was there, Justin Bieber. I just had a meeting with him. Left early. Didn't like it. Not a fan. But Mark the Meerkat, I'm a big fan of yours. I don't know what a meerkat is, but I'll call you Mark the Ninja. He's a stock ninja. He's in, out, and gone, but your money's all there, and then some. Just doing a great job, D7. And Mark the Meerkat, you're a superstar. Keep up the good work there at Grok Trade. Gotta go meet a little guy now for Korea. Take care, guys. Great job. We're making trading great again.